What, when you see incidents of police brutality, how do you process that? What goes through your mind when you see that?
Well, by me being black, I see it just as most of the black people. It's like that Floyd guy. I mean, I kind of know how he felt.
Mm-hmm.
Because they have they can put you in handcuffs and they can turn your wrist a certain way. And they could put you, and I was put in handcuffs and locked up in a jail cell for about 2 hours with my hand, in the handcuff, in the jail cell, because the police didn't like me. So they could put those handcuffs on you where you are trying to struggle, just to get your hand turned the same way, the right way. Mm-hmm. They can torture you just by putting the handcuffs on you. They knew that whatever they was charging me with, that I'll be out. But the pleasure that they got out of it is leaving me there, taking me through what they did. So they can say anything they want to, any little bogus thing, and put you in jail. It's like I had a concealed weapon permit. I went to jail for carrying a concealed gun with the permit. So it's nothing. That kind of stuff. That's what got me in the Florida. They don't. Most time, if a police in Miami, rather, come to your aid or for anything, he know right away if you have a permit. And it's more dangerous for me in Florida to have a permit and have a gun on me than it is for me to just have one illegal. The same thing could happen.